Ni Matonyo MEERU maria RIUNDEKITHIA maabithaa othe RUHONGE rwa borithi maria matanyite kuheo maabithaa aya wona ihinda ria guthikiriria mawoni ria thira. Kwa ihinda Matonyo maria mariho umuthi magakorwo matungitio regani munene.
Polisi wetu wametumiwa vibaya na Matiang'i. Hata ile uniform wamesukumiwa, ile ya blue hawataki, tutawaondolea tuwarudishie ile ya zamani. Na hiyo ya blue turudishe kanisa ya PCA, hiyo ni uniform ya Women's Guild. Uniform ya kirudi.
Unduria shongeriria kureho kwa Matonyo maya MEERU maria ni shati ya rangi wa light blue na mifuto ya rangi wa navy blue maria riu magukorwo makiheanirwo mawoni ni maabithaa borithi kurio naguo muingi ukuheo kanya ga kuruta mawoni maguo.
We are only concerned with the design, as you saw in the hall, not about texture, not about standards. Those are for other agencies. So, and you have seen, we have presented made up uniforms to the officers, and they have voted through acclamation of what they want, and that is what we are going to follow.
Ni kuga ngwiria cia RUGURIRIO mwaka-ini wa 2018 ni gutenerio kaimana undu mwe na shati cia rangi wa white irekiragwo na maabithaa iretu na atumia.
Tomorrow we shall visit Central Region, Nyeri. Then on Friday we shall also be there because we have the main national campus, national police campus is there. That is on, we are also to be there. Then we also proceed to Nakuru. After Nakuru, we proceed to Mombasa. From Mombasa, we proceed to Garissa. From Garissa, we come to Eastern.
Kuringana na murugamiri wa mihango ruhonge-ini rwa borithi Peter Ndung'u, maabithaa borithi makoretwo makiregana na Matonyo maria mahitukirio mwaka-ini wa 2018 kuona matiakuruhanitio mubango-ini wa gucicenjia.
It did not pass through these processes, and that's why officers are never on to it. You also saw it, they were overwhelmed and very happy because they feel part of that process, that a uniform presented to them. We gave them free time to choose freely without interference, and the voting was very, very open.
Ningi maabithaa borithi ni moritio kwaga kugia na hahu kuona gutire mbeca magwetio ni thirikari hari gukinyaniria undu uyu.
Even here we had members of the public. In our Twitter handle, it has been already posted that we are carrying this exercise, and members of the public have been invited. We're also reaching out to our in charges of security in the regions we are visiting to use community policing so that when we visit those areas we meet as many members of the public as possible.
Hadini ya Kameme TV ile turakoni bataru wa Mwagi.